Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you the exercise of chapter 2, Rikki Tikki Tavi. Exercise A. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Who was Rikki Tikki Tavi? Start the answer from the question itself. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a mongoose having fur, tail and a small head. It was an enemy of a snake. What happened? Question number 2. What happened when the summer flood went tumbling through the hole Rikki Tikki Tavi lived in? He was swept into the pond. Second option, he managed to climb onto the tree. Third is the flood carried him down the road. The third one is the correct one. As we read in the story, it was carried down on the road. Question number 3. What did Rikki Tikki Tavi do when he was warm and dry? When he was warm and dry, we will start the answer from the question itself. When he was warm and dry, it opened his eyes and let out a wet little mongoose sneeze. Now question number 4. Why did Teddy's father want to keep Rikki Tikki Tavi? Start the answer from the question. Teddy's father wanted to keep Rikki Tikki Tavi as Teddy would be safe if ever a snake came into his bedroom. Question number 5. Why did Nag tell Rikki Tikki Tavi to be afraid? First option is because he wanted to show how powerful he was. This is the correct one. He hissed very loudly. Because he liked Rikki Tikki Tavi? No. Because Darji was watching? No. So the first one is the correct option. Now come to more to do. Exercise B. Circle the words that can be used with sound words in capital letters. One has been done for you. Now the first one is done for you. These all are the verbs and these are used as a sound word also. And now we have to see which word is more suitable with these sounds. Now rustle. Rustle is having two meanings. First is when something dry makes some sound when they rub each other. When two papers are rubbed, they make rustling sound. Or rustle's second meaning is when you find something for somebody without any planning. In the story, Rikki Tikki Tavi heard a rustling sound of a snake. So these two options are there for rustle. Now second is bang. When you hit something very hard, so there is a loud sound that is called bang. Sometimes you bang your feet also. Sometimes the door is banged. And when we light the firecrackers, they also bang. They give a very loud sound. Now next is crackle. Crackle is a sound that something makes when it burns. So the paper can crackle and the fire can crackle. Next is swish. Swish is a sound when we move something quickly through the air. tail can swish and the silk dress can swish. Next is hiss. Hiss is the sound of snake. We know very well. When snake hisses, it makes a very loud sound with its mouth. Now next is crack. Crack you can see in the door, in the stairs also, and they can make the door if there is in rainy season also you can see a door sometimes cracks. It gives the cracking sound. And if the stairs are very old and if we step over them, they make a cracking sound. Now next is patter. Patter means to make something, to make some sound when the surface is hit. When raindrops fall on the floor, it makes a sound. If you notice, that is called a patter sound. Patter. It makes some sound when it strikes with the floor or any other surface. So that is called patter sound. So you all will know these meanings or sounds very well, and you will try which words can be used with these sounds. Now you have to fare these answers in your fair notebook, and more to do. If you have a book, in a book you do, otherwise you do in a fair notebook, and you revise the answers also. And I am giving you one PDF of a poem also, and you read it and try to learn it. Thank you.